I'm sorry. What happened?
No, it's clearly understandable.
yeah.
I didn't take it that way,
For
so you
that-
don't have to feel bad.
Yeah,
Totally
but
fine.
it was an awkward situation for both of us. So, yeah, I was hurrying that day,
You
and
came
I
late.
really forgot that that's in video that.
You actually apologized. I remember you said sorry.
Yeah, I said no, but in
So I
video
didn't take it that
it looks like some misunderstanding.
Yeah, but clearly I didn't take it that way, so it's totally fine. You don't have to worry about it.
Yeah,
You
okay.
can just focus on
Thank
the
you.
remaining games.
Thank you. And I want to wish good luck for the remaining games for both of you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
it's completely fine. But yeah, she didn't take anything about it.
Yeah. So, thank you.
So yeah, don't worry about it.
Okay. I just want to how to say. I don't. I respect you and your brother, both of you, and all Indian chess players. So
Yeah, we know actually. When we met in Qatar also you mentioned it to me, right?
Yeah, we know about you.
We know
We have
about
seen
you.
you for a
Yeah.
long time. So
yeah. So thank you for understanding and good luck.
yeah, it was a pleasure.
All the best.
Yeah, thank you.
Good luck.
See you.